Things are about to get good.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing Harlem Heat, from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain X.
All these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance. I can't wait to see what unfolds.
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지. 내가 내딛는 걸음에 관심을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지난 너의 일상의 습을 비워주고 싶어. 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 원한 웃음 지을 수 있게 어제 햇살 같은 온갖 웃음을
And we can already see just how focused he is in this one, how prepared and ready he is to take on this challenge.
Yeah, but he has his work cut out for him against a superstar who is always prepared for competition, always focused and ready to go out there and compete.
That preparation is the type of thing that elevates a superstar, Saxton.
Look at this, fighting out with a series of...
Will create separation.
Oh my, sent flying. Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance.
Boom! Read that one. Oh.
Tattooed with a double axe handle.
Oh man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Gutbuster. Down for the pin. Only getting one out of that pin.
Really overzealous going with a pin attempt there. Ooh.
Nice single leg takedown. And a leg drop across the knee. Very effective.
Looks like he just got rocked there.
He'll find a way to counter back, though.
Oh my God!
Trying to wrestle free their opponent's arm. Has the arm trapped.
Goodness gracious.
You have to imagine the disdain it takes to repeatedly stop someone like that. He's just unloading now, landing every shot he can find.
He's really hit another gear, and he just can't stop.
Oh, man. Oh, dear. This doesn't look good.
Alley-oop!
Ooh. Hung out to dry.
Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming.
Ooh, stop to the tummy.
Tummy?
He's really feeling all the damage he's taken up till now.
Yeah, but you got to expect that at this point in the match.
UFO! And he slides him back to the mat. Oh, what a right!
Yeah, some attitude behind it. Rolling elbow finds its mark. Ouch.
He's able to counter that. Scrambling up the top turnbuckle now.
Oh, it's gonna happen. Oh, top bomb. He may be out for good after that.
2 count. Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
I don't know how he did it, but he's hanging in there.
Just how...
Thinking about a submission here, guys.
Boston Crab.
Trying to free himself, trips the ankle, and he's out. And kicks off his opponent.
Looks like that really got him there. Clothesline takes him down.
Forget about it.
Ooh.
Oh, man. He didn't need that eyebrow anyway.
Wow. Belly to belly. Ooh. The running senton.
Crushing impact.
Wicked kick.
Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway. Go behind.
German.
9. And hold on. Are we looking at the prelude to the end of it all?
Oh, not pretty, but effective. He's heading to the top turnbuckle. Back into the ring now.
From the top.
Down.
Drop kick. Oh, great height. He's going for the cover.
For the win. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this.
We have seen these men unleash a lot of devastating offense. Incredible that this match hasn't ended yet.
It might just be a matter of time. This one is close to coming to a head.
Fires back with a crucial elbow. Oh, what a knee left. Heading to the top now.
From the top. Oh, gosh. That looked like a bad landing.
Oh, a suplex. It seems like this match is becoming something of an uphill battle for him.
This late into the match, though, still in pretty good shape here. He might be getting up, but it doesn't look like it will be for long. Catching a cutter. I don't know how you can withstand any more offense after that.
No, my, that was close.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
I think there's still some shock in the air over the fact that that didn't produce a pinfall.
Listen to this crowd. What a feeling.
And these superstars are feeling it too. Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows. And a stomp to the gut.
He's getting completely overwhelmed now.
He has to find a way to break up this offense.
Countering that offense.
And he isn't looking helpless anymore.
Oh, sudden cut.
He might be getting his hand raised soon.
Here's the pin. No way. No way.
I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence.
Oh, face stop.
Stalking a downed opponent. And a forearm right to the face. And another.
He's taking control of the proceedings here.
Now he just has to keep it up. Keep the attacks coming.
Forearms for the second rope.
Driving down.
Attacking the knee.
Bullseye with the drop kick. Are you ready? Here we go. One of the most mind-bending maneuvers in sports entertainment. UFO.
And now he's going to the top rope.
Look out. Big elbow drop.
The WWE Universe can't believe what these warriors are doing to one another.
And
From the top.
Oh, look at that splash! Directly into the cover.
The damage is done.
Picking up the victory as his opponent does his best. Saxton stares up at the lights.
Here is your winner, the Captain.
this kind of win establishes him to the world. An important win for him in this one. No doubt about it. Support for this guy grows by the second in the estimation of the WWE Universe.